Internet safety is knowing how to have a healthy connection between other individuals. And sometimes there's these people called online predators that try to come in and mess with that. And when it comes to younger teenagers, that's more their target audiences because they want to have that relationship with them. And we need to teach the teenagers that to look for those inappropriate messages or the fact that they ask for information that should not be known to the public. And then for elementary children, we need to make sure and teach them about their gut feeling so that if they don't think that's okay or that something's wrong with it, then go with it and know that it's not okay and know that it's okay to be scared for that moment, but just understand that we don't have to instill fear on them. We just want them to be aware and know that people out there online predators are trying to get them. So we just have to teach them that a little bit about internet safety is just watching out for yourself.